Hey guys, it's Jake from State Farm here, Weingartz, Livonia, here to talk about the cat's meow of backpack blowers. Starting off here, we have the Echo PB8010 backpack blower. This machine here puts out 1,071 CFM thanks to its 79.9 cc engine. Looking more into the machine here, you can choose between a tube throttle or, in this case, a hip throttle. Completely up to user preference. Moving on, Echo backs this machine with a 2-year commercial warranty and also a 5-year industry-leading homeowner warranty for homeowners who want to make their neighbors look plain silly. Moving here over to the Stihl, we have the Br800ce Magnum. This guy, if you're looking for innovation in your next backpack blower, this might be the machine for you. This machine also has a 79.9 cc engine, which can put out an air volume of 912 CFM. Moving to the innovative features, here we have the patented left tip easy starting rope, making starting never again hard or difficult. Also, here we have the chest and hip comfort padding buckle clips to make it nice and secure, and you can really feel the effect and the work of the anti-vibration system here from the engine bay and the turbine. Rounding out the features, here we have a telescopic blower tube, making it user-friendly for people tall like me or people who are a little bit shorter. This machine here, much like the Echo, has a 2-year commercial warranty, an optional extension for homeowners. Rounding out the group here, we have the very popular RedMax EBZ8550. This guy has a 75.6 cc engine that is capable of producing 941 CFM. Much like the Echo, you can choose between a tube throttle or an optional hip throttle. Simplicity is the key to value here with this machine, making it a favorite amongst landscaping professionals. All right, guys, so there you have it, the cat's meow of backpack blowers. Whichever machine you decide to go with, we can guarantee you're going to be happier than a 2-year-old with a balloon. From all of us here at Weingartz, Livonia, thanks for tuning in. Stay safe.